Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you the 2021 Valor. This is the V13, 13-foot garage. Really nice, 3 slides, triple axle, hydraulics, auto level, outside shower, storage outside, which is unique for toy haulers. Some of them lack that. This one got some. There's a lot to show you, so let's go inside and show you more. Hi folks, okay, we're inside. As you can see, very welcoming coach. Look at them cabinets, really nice ambiance there with the glass. The seating is awesome. Look at that power recliners here on the couch. You got the TV in the right spot. Got a fireplace. Look at the countertops here, solid countertops, really unique, very neat. I like that. Huge cabinets again in the kitchen. Look at this residential oven stove. Look at that, it's awesome. They have even a turkey picture on it. I bet you it fits a turkey. Anyways, look over on the side here. We got the fridge. It's a residential fridge. Nice freezer. You can actually see what's going on in the freezer. As we go through, we're gonna go back to the garage. You can't help but to see the pantry. Nice addition to that. In the garage, of course, we got a bath and a half in this coach. So there's a half bath. Really nice with a nice sink. I mean, they did a great design on this one. And of course, in the garage, we got the opposite sofas. We got the bed on top. TV's already there. Lots of storage even in the back with the netting there. Look at that patio. You got the railing, effect to it with the steps outside, so people don't have to go through your coach to go to the bathroom or what have you. And as we go, you can see in the lobby, in a way, the living room, lots of like traffic control in a way. As we go upstairs, look at this bathroom, folks. This is really neat. Nice bathroom. Things are really user-friendly in this one. I like the design. Into the bedroom we go, and here we go. It's a walk-around bed. Look at that. Lots of storage opposite of the bed. The TV's right there. Perfect spot for the TV, and you got lots of storage. Look at that. Almost a walk-in like closet in this one. So really nice features from the barn doors, the bathroom, to the going down the stairs with the railing there. Nice handle. All right, folks, here we go. We're outside again with the Valor. As you can see, it's pretty unique. Two brothers building this product. Consumer Report put it way up there. A lot of information available. Please give me a call, 541-515-1237. Thank you.